Hi there and welcome to this 2-minute tips video, and today we're going to be looking at information display. One of the things I find the monitor on my Z series cameras really useful for, and I used it a bit on my DSLRs before, is for displaying all of the settings or a large number of the settings I've got set up in the camera. I find this particularly useful when I'm using a tripod, so I don't have to look down onto the top display to work out, or into the EVF to work out what settings I've got. You find it by hitting the display button, the ISP button, which is to the right of the EVF, and it's about the fourth option round after the spirit level option when you're shooting stills. And I think by default it comes up with a dark text on a light background. It is something you only see, as I say, when you're shooting stills. It doesn't work with video, and you do still have to use the controls on the camera rather than a touch display to change the settings you've got. But what you can do is choose whether you see dark text on a light background or light text on a dark background. And to do this, you go into the setup menu, you drop down to the second page, and it's the fourth option down, information display. And in there you'll find two very simple options. That you can have the option of dark text on a light background, which I think they call B for black, and then light text on a dark background, which I think they call W for white. Now, I tend to use the dark text on a light background in daytime. If, however, I'm shooting perhaps low light or at night, I'll use the light text on a dark background because I find that a little bit easier to see in darkness. So if you haven't found that and you use the information display, it may be something that you want to have a look at. It's a bit like the nighttime display we're used to on our smart devices. And if you know you're going to be shooting at night, it may be something you set before you go out. So I hope you found this video useful. It's a very simple piece of functionality. If you did, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you'll be notified of future videos. And I look forward to seeing you on a future video.